Today we're going to create something new and amazing, completely for free. Just take a look at this YouTube channel. It creates AI robot videos like this and gets a lot of views. If you're wondering whether this channel is monetized, just copy and paste its URL into YouTube Blade, and you'll see that it's monetized and earning thousands of dollars. You can also create videos just like this. And in this video, I'll show you the complete method. Every part of this video is important, so watch carefully and don't skip anything, or you might not understand the process. If you're new, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like the video. I'll keep bringing you new methods. The best part is, you don't need any paid software or editing experience. Everything I'm showing you works on mobile and PC, so anyone can start right away. Let's get started on how to make AI videos for free. First, open the channel you want to make a video about. Then, use the snipping tool on your PC to crop the image. As you can see on the screen, I have cropped the image. Now, save the image. After saving it, the next step is to open ChatGPT, upload the image there, and write your message. I want to make a video exactly like this. Give me 6 image prompts just like this. ChatGPT will give you prompts exactly in this style, and you'll see the results are amazing. Don't worry, I'll also give you my own description prompt. If you want more prompts like this, you can ask for 10 more image prompts based on it. ChatGPT can also generate even more prompts in the same style. Next step, how to generate images. Using Pixelman, free. We will use Pixelman to generate the images. Click on Generate for free. It's a great website. Now select the image size as 9:16. After that, I simply copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Pixelman one by one. Pixelman uses the prompt from ChatGPT, and I keep pasting them step by step. As you can see, all you need to do is copy the prompt and paste it. It's that easy. Why I use Pixelman is a free AI image generator that creates images from text or image prompts. It supports styles like realistic, anime, and more. It also includes tools like background removal, upscaling, and editing features. It's simple, fast, and great for creating high-quality AI images. If you want to create more related images like this, just write it on ChatGPT. Give me 5 more prompts related to this and also 2 images. The prompts and images should be different from this, but still good quality and well made. ChatGPT will now generate more prompts based on this. I simply copy each prompt and paste it step by step. As you can see, my images are getting ready one by one, and finally, my image is complete. You can clearly see the result. For background music, go to the YouTube audio library. It's free to use. There, you'll find lots of music tracks that are free and safe, no copyright issues. You can search for free music and use it in your videos without any problem. This background music can easily be used in your video to make it more engaging. To turn your AI images into video, we'll use 2 websites. The first website is Diggin.ai. It's an excellent and powerful platform. It gives you 300 free credits, and I've already been using it for the past 2 days. Now I have 400 plus credits. With just 300 credits, you can easily create up to 10 videos. Diggin.ai is a web-based generative AI platform that transforms static images into lifelike video avatars with realistic motion, multilingual voiceovers, accurate lip sync, and full-body animation. Ideal for creators, marketers, educators, and e-commerce professionals. Here's what you need to do. Click on Create. Then click on Upload to add your image. Below, there's a space to enter a prompt. I'll also provide this prompt in the YouTube video description so you can just copy and paste it. Prompt example: an entirely mechanical humanoid robot with a realistic human face and natural black hair speaks while extracting a glowing device from her exposed abdomen. Now click on Generate and your video will start creating. In the same way, we upload another image and paste the same prompt again. I uploaded the image, pasted the prompt, clicked on Generate, and after a short wait, the video is ready. The next website is Pixverse AI, and it's truly an amazing platform. It gives you 60 free credits with just one Gmail account, which you can use to create high-quality AI videos. Pixverse AI is a cutting-edge AI video generator, transforming text, images, or characters into dynamic cinematic clips in seconds. Version 4.5 adds Ultra HD, fluid motion, multi-subject support, character animation, and voice sync. Ideal for social content, marketing, or creative storytelling with professional polish. After that, I click on Create, upload my image, and paste the same prompt. Then I click on Generate, and the video creation process begins. In the same way, I upload another image, paste the same prompt, click on Generate, and the second video also starts processing. Next, I upload another AI image and enter a new prompt. The AI video will begin generating immediately. You can also write your own prompt, depending on the type of motion or action you want in your video. And just like that, my video is now complete. By using both websites, Digen.ai and Pixverse AI, you can create one free short AI video every day without spending any money. Final step video editing. Using CapCut, for the final step, we use CapCut for video editing. Here, I upload all of my video clips, then select them one by one. After that, I adjust everything as needed, including setting the watermark in my preferred style. This way, my video is fully edited and complete. If you want, you can also use CapCut's built-in effects to make the video more attractive. Don't forget to add background music. You can choose any free, copyright-safe track. And just like that, the final video is ready. Thanks for watching. I'll bring another new and exciting AI method next time. Please like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and stay tuned for more.